Welcome back to Sid's Club. Today we're gonna have some fun baking Fizzy Ice. This is a great experiment for older kids to play around with the reaction between vinegar and baking soda. It's also a really great experiment for little ones because it will keep them entertained. So you're going to need a bowl with some ice. You're going to need vinegar. You can put it in little squeeze bottles like I have. You can put it in little cups with droppers, some baking soda, and some food coloring. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix our vinegar with some food coloring. Now you can do this with as many colors as you like. I'm just doing 2, but feel free to do more than that. Do that little shake, and I'm gonna put red one in this. Again, this is just vinegar in here, and we're mixing in some food coloring. Okay, and we're gonna give this one a little shake. Now, we are gonna find little pockets in here to place some baking soda. So just make a little hole, put some baking soda, put some ice over top. Do that again on the other side. Then we're just gonna take our colored vinegar and we're just gonna start squeezing this over our ice. You should be able to hear that fizzing. Do it again. Now, as the kids start to play around and get their colors in there and it's fizzing, go ahead and add more baking soda. Like I said, this is just a very quick, easy experiment that you can do with older kids as well as younger kids. They're both gonna have fun with this for different reasons, but in the end, they're all just having fun. That's what it's all about. And we're gonna mix it together. Fizzing ice. I hope that you will give this a try at home. Remember, send us your pictures and videos, and we will see you next time on Sid's Club. Bye, guys.